Trying to film while the weather is rigged against you is just annoying.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house.
Trying to film while the weather is rigged against you is just annoying. It's bright, but it's only bright enough that it's letting in so much light that I look washed out. Or maybe I've just lost the tan from summer, to be honest. But anyways, I look so pale. And also, does anyone know how to fix a PVC sauna suit? Mine broke and I would really love to get it fixed because I don't want to have to buy another one from Amazon. That thing was super expensive, but it does make you sweat, and I decided to, I've gotten it like a couple of months ago, tried it once or twice, sweated out a lot, and I was like, oh, okay, this is nice. And then forgot about it. Last night I tried it again and I was sweating bullets in like 5 minutes, just because I've got my heating on and then also my windows are locked and everything, so it was really fast. And then used it for 10 minutes in and I was like, oops, this thing broke. So yeah, I need to get that fixed, but I don't know how, since it's PVC, so it's like rubbery. Yeah, someone help me. Checked online, but I don't know. So maybe if I get lucky and someone out there watches this video and it's like, oh, I know how to fix this, please let me know, because I don't want to have to buy another one. Anyways, enough about my mistakes. It's a day after I posted the last vlog that's up, and yeah, I just woke up. I woke up like 30 minutes ago. It's like past 11 to 12. I've got a doctor's appointment. No, not a doctor's. I've got a blood test at 3 p.m. today, which isn't too bad actually. I mean, it gives me time to rest because tomorrow I'm starting work and I really don't want to be stressed at all. I'm just going to continue reading today. I woke up feeling so happy. I don't know why, but it's nice to feel like this, you know, from time to time. Sometimes I wake up and I'm like, oh, I'm in pain. Like yesterday morning after the gym on Monday, I woke up and I was in pain all over. And today I wake up and I feel so refreshed and just so happy and all smiley. Usually not like this in the mornings, but yeah, I'm happy that I'm like this today. So yeah, I'm just going to do my final cleaning wrap up for the week because I won't have another free day to do that till Sundays. I've been rambling here for a few minutes now, but yeah, that's just why I wanted to come on here to say that I woke up feeling really happy. I'm just happy about everything. I'm happy about the world. I'm happy about you guys watching my video. I'm happy about me, happy about my family, happy about everything. Yeah, I think I've had enough talk for today, so I'm going to go clean and maybe take you guys with me to prepare breakfast or lunch at this point before I get ready for my appointment.
I just turned 7 when the babies family moved next door.
So I'm actually ready for my blood test. I'm just going to run out the door right now. It's in about 50 minutes, so I definitely need to start leaving my house so I can get the bus and go, because I also need to change buses to get to the hospital. So I just wanted to update you guys, and yeah, let's go. It's so gloomy out there.
Losing all my blues with Southside, it ain't
It's so dark outside, so hence the clip looks grainy. I'm so sick at the moment. It's 2 days to Christmas and this is definitely not on brand with me at all because I'm usually not sick for Christmas. This has to be like the first time ever. I can't taste anything, can't smell anything. It's like this morning I lost my sense of taste and smell. Not completely, I can still get like little bits here and there, but not much. I feel hungry, but I also don't have the appetite to eat. So I've just been drinking a lot of water all day. I've been cooped up in my room watching K-drama and this is the last episode, so
비싸고 좋은 것만 해. 부정 타면 안 되니까. 음식도 비싼 걸로 사 먹고 택시 타고 가고.
yeah, this is the name of the drama. I absolutely love this drama. I don't know what it is about it, but I love it a lot too. But this has really like kept me busy in the last few days because I can't even think or begin to edit. I have a video that's supposed to be up tomorrow, the eve of December. The eve of Christmas rather. It's nothing related to Christmas at all. It's just my weekly vlog. I couldn't get it up last week and I thought it'll be up this week, but I'm so tired. I don't know. I'm just watching my movie and maybe when I'm done I might have like a little bit of adrenaline or excitement that can push me to yeah, edit my video, but till then this will have to do. Today is the 30th of December, so it's just 2 days before New Year, and I just wanted to take time to appreciate God, appreciate you guys, and appreciate myself, because in one way or another we all showed up for me, and I just wanted to say thank you. I am actually here getting ready to go nowhere. Well, not getting ready because I'm trying to style my hair for once. So I'm going to blow dry, straighten, and then curl my hair for tomorrow. Because tomorrow I have to be at work. So it's not like I have anything special, but I just wanted to do that for myself and look good. And I'm going to show you guys my setup right now. And also I'm going to be watching like self-care videos on YouTube, so while enjoying music, so I wouldn't really care what they're saying, just watching, and I need that extra motivation to get me through the next 2 hours or 1 hour 30 minutes, please. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos this year. I've really come a long way and I've learned a lot of lessons from life, from work, people, in my faith, and just everything in general. And this year was definitely quite a learning curve for me, and I hope you all like grew. I feel like I grew in so many ways, and I hope you grew too in so many ways. And I just want to appreciate you for showing up for me, and appreciate me for showing up for me, because being the people pleaser that I am, it takes me a while to show up for myself, but always there for people. So I just want to say thank you, Angel, for being there for yourself this year. Thank you guys for watching my videos throughout this year. I'll definitely come back to show you guys how it turned out, if it turned out well or if it doesn't turn out well. Hopefully it does. And just thank you, and I hope that we are all in a much better place in 2025, and I hope that we show up for ourselves, because at the end of the day, we're still the same people. New year comes and goes, and it's still just going to be you every single year. So do right by yourself and do right by others. I love you guys so much. This is my setup. I have my mirror here, laptop, going to search on self-care videos, or look at this, I might watch a brain surgery online if there's one available. I've been curious to just see how it works, you know. So that, and then these are all my products. I have my speaker here playing my music. So that's my setup, and hopefully it turns out well. Fingers crossed, and wish me luck. So this is how my hair is looking. I think I just need to like set it with spray, holding spray, and leave it a couple of hours because I don't want it to be in all night. I'm going to use these to hold them in till daybreak, so I don't want to have to sleep in these. I'm just going to leave this for a couple of hours.